We're in the National Air and Space Museum, and Chloe's very excited because her dad's a pilot. And so is Corinne, but her dad's not a pilot. He's a dairy farmer.
There we go.
Oh, there's a guy in that one. Cute. Cool. It's a Capitol building.
Really?
That's our tour guide. Is that Pocahontas? No. It's the Senate. There's glass. There was no glass here last time.
I was supposed to be Kevin, but it came out A, my birth certificate. So here I am 70 years later. You're lucky. You get a real military guide as your tour guide. Before I started doing this as a retirement job, I served 30 years in the Army. So, as you grow, 1861 to 1865. In 4 years, a new estimate says that upwards of 850,000 men died in the Civil War between the North and the South. That's a lot of people. Whole population of the United States was only, well, 32 million. That was Confederacy and the Union put together. So that's a lot of people. This battle alone, 165,000 men fought here, and you.
Casey did my hair. Very cute. I gotta show your hair. See, we're twins. Twins! Twins! We found a tiny Walmart right by our hotel. It looks just like normal Walmart. Look at my foot. Here's our super nice hotel room. 2 beds for 4 ladies. So Michelle and I get to cuddle. Just kidding, there will be no cuddling.
This is Malakaya all over again. That's all it is. This dictatorship that's extreme.
I got yelled at because I said I wanted to clean this place. It's because it smells funky. You are such a good pianist. What am I supposed to say? Hoy vamos?
I was vamos, and I was like, yes.
Look, he's got Hillary on the back of his phone. Say hi. Did you show Hillary you have her on the back of your phone?
Say hi. Dad's over here. Hi, Dad.
These are his parents. He was switched at birth.
Yeah, I was.
Because, you know, obviously, what's her name came from. Well, yeah. No, go ahead. Get in there. I want to videotape you taking your selfies. Oh,
these are my parents.
Okay.